Once you've imported some spectra, you may wish to pick some peaks. First, zoom in by using the Shift button and the left mouse to select a region. Now you can auto-pick in this region by using the Shift, Ctrl and left mouse button, and that will auto-pick everything in that region. To undo any action that you do not wish, go to Project, Undo, and that will revert to the last action. We can zoom in a little further and we can pick a little smarter by clicking MM to enter the pick mode. Here, every left mouse button click will add a peak. Click MM again to exit this mode. You can select a peak using Ctrl and the left mouse button, and you can deselect by clicking away. Select a peak and use the middle mouse button whilst hovering over the peak, and you can move it to any location you wish. You can also delete it using the delete key. For any manually selected peak, you may right-click on it and refit where it will find the center of the peak.